When your suburban RV water heater stops working, it's often because a safety mechanism has been triggered. Understanding where to find and how to reset these safety buttons is essential for getting your hot water back. The need to reset your water heater typically occurs when the high temperature limit switch trips due to overheating. This is a built-in safety feature designed to protect your system from damage. Suburban water heaters are equipped with two separate reset buttons. One controls the electric heating circuit, while the other controls the liquid propane gas system. These reset buttons are located behind a removable access panel in the exterior compartment of your RV. First, you'll need to locate this access panel on the outside of your vehicle. Once you remove the access panel, you'll see the internal components of your water heater. The reset buttons are clearly visible and typically marked for easy identification. Here's the proper sequence to reset your water heater. First, turn off both the electric and propane power to ensure safety during the reset process. Next, locate and remove the exterior access panel. This will expose the internal components and reset buttons. Now firmly press both reset buttons. You should hear and feel them click into place if they were previously tripped. This action resets both the electric and gas safety systems. Finally, restore power to both systems and monitor the water heater to ensure it's functioning correctly. The reset process is now complete. Critical safety reminder: never operate your water heater without water in the tank. Running it dry can damage the heating elements and cause the safety systems to trip again. Before attempting to reset your RV water heater, perform these essential troubleshooting steps to identify and potentially resolve the issue without resetting. First, check your bypass valves. These valves control water flow through your water heater. If they're not in the correct position after winterization, you'll get lukewarm water because cold and hot water are mixing. Next, verify your propane levels and electrical connections. Many RV owners don't know about the hidden electric switch on suburban water heaters. If your water heater won't work on electricity, finding and flipping this switch is often the solution. If the red reset light remains illuminated after pressing the reset button, this indicates that ignition did not occur. This could be due to a gas supply issue, electrical problem, or gas valve malfunction. Listen for specific sounds that indicate problems. A repetitive clicking without ignition usually means your propane tank is empty or the valve isn't open. Lukewarm water typically indicates bypass valve issues. Water leaks can come from several sources. A worn anode rod should be replaced when it's less than 50% of its original diameter. The temperature and pressure relief valve may drip normally as water expands when heated. If issues persist after following these troubleshooting steps, or if you need to reset the water heater repeatedly, consult a qualified RV technician. Don't ignore ongoing problems as they can indicate serious safety issues.